Welcome to Daily English Learning channel. Today we are going to learn Advanced English versus Normal English. So without further ado, let's start the video. Normal English, let's meet today. Advanced English, let's catch up today. Let's catch up today. Normal English, are you mad? Advanced English, are you out of mind? Are you out of mind? Are you out of mind? Normal English, it's time to study. Advanced English, it's time to hit the books. It's time to hit the books. Normal English, I am very hungry. Advanced English, I am starving. I am starving. Normal English, text me when you get free. Advanced English, heat me up when you get free. Heat me up when you get free. Normal English, I am very busy. Advanced English, I am swamped. I am swamped. Normal English, hurry up, we are getting late. Advanced English, chop chop, we are getting late. Chop chop, we are getting late. Normal English, keep it a secret. Advanced English, keep it under wraps. Keep it under wraps. Normal English, I like you a lot. I like you a lot. Advanced English, I am so into you. Normal English, stop wasting time. Advanced English, stop paffing around. Stop paffing around. Normal English, I am very tired. Advanced English, I am worn out. I am worn out. Normal English, sorry, I fell asleep. Advanced English, sorry, I nodded off. Sorry, I nodded off. Normal English, it's very cold outside. Advanced English, it's freezing outside. It's freezing outside. Normal English, it's not so difficult. Advanced English, it's not rocket science. It's not rocket science. Now it's your turn. Do you know the advanced English of why are you so angry? If you know, please don't forget to comment down below your answer. And please do like, share and subscribe Daily English Learning channel. Thanks for watching.